7 reasons you shouldn't throw avocado seeds. Did you know that avocado is effective not only for whitening but also for acne? Did you throw away the seeds when you ate the avocado? Here are 7 reasons why you might want to use seeds. The parts that you normally throw away, such as the skins and seeds of fruits and vegetables, may have a positive effect on your body. Learn the benefits of avocado seeds and be sure to save them next time. Benefits of avocado seeds. Avocado has antibacterial and antifungal effects. This is because the avocado seeds have the effect of neutralizing toxic microorganisms. Avocado seeds are rich in saponins, which help improve metabolic function and promote the excretion of bad cholesterol. It is also rich in vitamin C, calcium, and minerals such as magnesium. Avocado seeds, internal and external. Avocado seeds have antibacterial properties. From this, it can be said that it is effective for skin inflammation, hair problems, greasy skin, and dandruff. At the same time as conditioning the hair and skin, it improves the overall condition of the hair and skin. Taking avocado seeds orally or ingesting them is thought to help solve the following problems: obesity, atherosclerosis, inflammation, and indigestion. Avocado seeds can be added as a supplement to salads, smoothies, etc. Recommended ways to take. Before using the seeds, you must first peel the brown skin. After peeling, chop it into small pieces, then bake in the oven at low temperature for 1 hour. Also, it takes at least 2 hours to bake whole seeds. After baking, you need to peel and crush the seeds. Don't eat before baking in the oven. Number 1. Scrub. To use it as a scrub, you need to crush the seeds. When powdered, mix coffee powder and salt. Apply to skin and massage gently. Number 2. Remove sebum. Avocado seeds are effective in treating acne and other skin problems. Mix the crushed seeds with warm water to make a paste. You can also add tea tree oil if you like. After applying the paste to the acne, leave it for 4 to 6 minutes. Immediately, the affected area begins to dry. Number 3. Pack. To make a pack with avocado seeds, you need crushed seeds and mud. Put seeds and mud in water and mix until creamy. When applying it to the skin, be careful not to get it around your eyes. After leaving for 15 minutes, rinse it off and apply a moisturizing cream. Number 4. Hair cream. To make a hair cream that softens the hair, you need 1 liter of water and avocado seeds rubbed. Mix the 2 ingredients and heat on medium heat for 30 minutes. Use this water when straining and then rinsing after washing the hair. Makes the hair smooth. Number 5. Salad. Avocado seeds are a perfect ingredient for salad mixed with other vegetables and avocados. To make a delicious salad, cut the vegetables and avocado into large pieces, then mix the crushed avocado seeds. Number 6. Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, almond milk 260 ml, 1 grab of spinach, 1 celery, rubbed avocado seeds, half tablespoon. How to make: put all the ingredients in the blender. Turn the blender until it is completely mixed. The seeds are a bit bitter, so you can add sweeteners such as honey. Number 7. Soup. Ingredients: vegetable soup stock 260 ml, 1 onion and half an avocado. How to make: first warm the vegetable stock in a pan. Cut the onions, fry them in an oiled frying pan and put them in the dashi stock. When cooked, cut the avocado in the same way and put it in a pan. Bring to a boil and put it in a blender. Serve the soup on a plate and sprinkle with avocado seeds.